Welcome to the demo of 25B Smart Operations feature. Analyze production supervision data using OTBI in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. This enhancement enables supervisors to analyze real-time assignment of work order operations to workstations within a work center. It also provides visibility into operator assignments across shifts. By leveraging common dimensions, supervisors can perform cross-subject area analysis with other manufacturing data for deeper insights. Supervisors require the ability to assess assignment activities within the production supervisor workbench while also analyzing production performance from other manufacturing subject areas. A unified view of these data points helps in improving operational efficiency. With this enhancement, supervisors can leverage Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI, to monitor production performance and workstation assignments in real time. Additionally, they can create custom metrics and reports, embedding them directly into the production supervisor workbench dashboard for streamlined decision-making. In this demo, we will begin by launching Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI. Next, we will explore the dimensions within the new workstation supervision subject area and create a sample analysis. I am logged in as the production supervisor. Select the Tools work area and then Reports and Analytics. Click Browse Catalog to launch OTBI. Click the Create menu. Select Analysis to create a new report. Search for the new subject area Manufacturing, Workstation Supervision Real-Time and select it. Here, you can see the dimensions available in this subject area. The newly introduced dimensions include assigned operations, workstation, assigned operators, and shift. All other dimensions are existing ones used across other manufacturing subject areas. The Workstation Supervision Performance folder serves as the fact folder. Expand the Manufacturing Organization Dimension folder. Select the Inventory Organization Name attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. Switch to the Results tab to view the data in the analysis report as it is being built. Expand the Workstation Dimension folder. Select the Workstation Name attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. Expand the Time of Planned Start Date dimension folder. This dimension is anchored on the start date of the work order. Select the Date attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. Expand the Work Order dimension folder. Select the Work Order attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. Now you can see the work orders assigned to the workstation queue. Expand the Work Order Operations dimension folder. Select the Operation Name attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the work order operations assigned to the workstation queue. Expand the Assigned Operations dimension folder. Select the Assigned Quantity attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the assigned quantity of work order operations in the workstation queue. Expand the Shift dimension folder. Select the Shift Name attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the shift name to which operators were assigned in the workstation. Here, you see that the shift details are populated only for the first two records, as operators were assigned to only these two workstations. Expand the Assigned Operators dimension folder. Select the Operator Name attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the operator name, if available. Select the Check-in Date attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the check-in date and time of the assigned operator. Select the Checkout Date attribute and double-click to add it as a column in the analysis. This will display the checkout date and time of the assigned operator, if available. Expand the Workstation Supervision Performance Fact folder to view the available facts in this subject area. This concludes our demo on creating an analysis using this new subject area. To recap, we launched OTBI and explored the new Workstation Supervision real-time subject area. We then demonstrated how to create a sample analysis using this subject area. To review the steps required to embed OTBI reports in production supervision dashboards, please review the 25A What's New and feature demo, monitor workstation performance when supervising production. This is the end of the feature demo. Thank you.